morning again. So, we are now in the week 3 of our quarter 4. And for today's lesson, we will discuss about the marinades. So, what is marinade? Marinade is good to add flavor in your favorite meat and make it more tender and juicy. So, with the use of the marinades, we will add flavor to our meat and we will make it tender and juicy. Making a marinade is very simple. All you need are the three basic components. What are the three basic components? The first one is the acid, the oil, and the herbs or spices. So let's tackle each and every one of it. The first one is the acid. It is the lime or the lemon juice or the vinegar, the yogurt, or the wine that you will using in the marinades. The acid is important as it breaks down the meat and tenderizes it. So, the meat becomes tender because of the acid. And the next one is the oil. Why do we use oil? This was used to protect and preserve the food while marinated and also when it is being cooked. And the third one is the herb and spices. We use this to add a unique flavor and zest the meat. Feel free to experiment by grouping one and more ingredients from each component. So you can add a little bit of each and every component depending on your taste. And here are some general guidelines on how we're going to marinate meats. For the first one, meat and poultry, it is generally marinated for at least 2 hours up to 2 days if you want to enhance the flavor of the meat. And then the next one is the seafood and fish. It should be marinated not longer than 1 hour. And then use a non-reactive container. Steer clear aluminum, copper, or cast iron. While for your marinade to cool down before pouring over the meat of your choice, always refrigerate your meat while it's marinating. Never reuse marinades. So that's it. That is the general rule for marinating. And here are the types of marinades. The first one is the pineapple marinades. What is a pineapple marinade? This sweet fruity marinade works greatly on any cut of pork or chicken. This marinade is great Hawaiian teriyaki flavor. Try this marinade when you are simply placing cut strips of pork and chicken over rice. And it's very delicious. Ingredients of this are crushed pineapple, soy sauce, honey, cider vinegar, and garlic. It is very easy to do. Next one, actually every marinades is just an easy to do. You just soak the meat into that. The next one is the pork chop marinade. This is a great Asian style marinade that works well on all cuts of pork, particularly pork chops. Uh, reminiscent of a teriyaki marinade with a hint of heat from the chili sauce can heat up with some extra chili sauce or perhaps a pinch of cane. Ingredients: soy sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, garlic, or ginger. And you may add a little bit of chili sauce if you want heat taste on your pork chop. Next one is the Jamaican jerk marinade. Uses Jamaican sauce or other spicy herbs and spices. And this marinates on all kinds of meat and poultry as well. Ingredients are soy sauce, vinegar, oil, onion, garlic, ginger, thyme, sugar, Jamaican pimiento, nutmeg, cinnamon, hot sauce. Let's move now to the fourth one, the pork rib marinade. It uses a pork rub for the season with vinegar and water to turn it into a marinade. The ingredients are soy sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, garlic, and ginger. And the teriyaki sauce. Okay, this marinade will surely add flavor to whatever other meat that you will grill. This marinade works perfectly and particularly well with pork and poultry. Ingredients are still soy sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, vegetable oil, green onion, and garlic. So that's it. That is our lesson for week 3. I hope that you learned something today and you can perform this in your home too for your parents and siblings. Thank you for watching. Bye. Stay safe.